How to do cinematic text fade transition. To begin, I added a video and a text to my timeline, and I want to create a cinematic text fade transition. With your text selected, go to Effect Controls and expand the text. Now click on this rectangle to create a mask. In the preview window, drag the mask handles until your mask is big enough around your text. Now move the playhead to the start and click on Stopwatch next to Mask Path to create a starting keyframe. If the mask disappeared in preview window, just click on the mask. Now move the mask to the left of your text. Then move the playhead a little forward and move the mask to its original position around your text. This will create the second keyframe. Now we have this transition. But to smoothen it like a fade transition, increase the mask feather to around 500. Now let's create the fade out transition. Move the playhead to where you want to start fade out, and click on this circle button to create a keyframe with the current value. Then move the playhead to where you want to completely fade out the text and drag the mask to the right. Now we have this nice cinematic text fade transition. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.